In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a reference image in Midjourney. So this is a super powerful tool. And first what you want to do is you want to go and drag in the image you want to use. So I want to use this image here. Paste this in and you basically just sent this to the bot. Now you want to click on this, right click, copy link. Now here you want to do /imagine and imagine what you want it to do. So /imagine a night sky woman reading book. Now obviously you can put a load more details in here. The more detailed the better. I'm just gonna leave it like this just to give you an idea. Now you want to paste in the link here to your file. After that you want to do space --IW and that's going to be image weight. So that means how much do you want it to look like the image. 2 being the highest, I think 0.5 being the lowest. So I'm going to put 2 and hit enter. Now, boom, you can see it's waiting to start and it's going to use this and turn it into what we just said. So I will come back when it's ready. And boom, we're back and it's done it. So it's done the night sky okay. It could have done it better if I was more descriptive, but you can see the reading of the book is very good. And if you take a look at the reference image, it is very, very similar. So that's how you do it. And now here you have a prompt you can use over and over again. You just have to change out the front bit and you can keep making new stuff with this. Now if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.